Hi Minasang, we are now on the lesson 6 of the MANABU online textbook. The topics that we discussed on the lesson 6 grammar video was about the transitive verbs. So now, let's learn more of them with example sentences and conversation video. So, let's go! So for the sentence patterns, number 1, Watashi wa hon o yomimasu. Watashi wa hon o yomimasu. So the transitive verbs uses the particle o for the objects. So in this sentence, the object is hon or book. Then attach the particle o, hon o, and the verb is yomimasu. I will read a book. Number 2, Watashi wa eiki de shinbun o kaimasu. Watashi wa eiki de shinbun o kaimasu. So in this sentence, we use the particle de for the place of action. And the place of action in this sentence is eki, the station. So we attach the particle de, eki de, and shinbun o, object o, then the verb kaimasu. Shinbun o kaimasu, I buy newspaper, then the eki de is at the station. So watashi wa eki de shinbun o kaimasu. Number 3, Issho ni Kobe ikimasen ka? Issho ni Kobe ikimasen ka? So, if the verb is in negative form, then attached with the particle ka, it is an invitation. So, someone is inviting another person. So, when you're inviting someone to do something, the verb is in the negative form and attached to the particle ka. Issho ni Kobe ikimasen ka? Number 4, Chotto yasumimashou. Chotto yasumimashou. So this sentence is also an invitation. But compared to the masenka, masenka is more of a stronger invitation when asking someone or inviting someone to do something. So yasumimashou in English is let's take a break. So chotto yasumimashou. Let's take a bit of break. Okay guys, for the example sentences, we will be joined by Leia-san.
Hello, minasan.
Okay, I will read the first sentence and she will read the second line. Number 1 is Osake o nomimasu ka? Osake o nomimasu ka? And she will answer
Iie, nomimasen.
Okay, iie nomimasen. So the question is Osake o nomimasu ka? Osake particle o, and nomimasu ka, do you drink osake? And iie is no, nomimasen, I don't drink. So, no, I don't. Iie nomimasen. Number 2, Mai asa nani o tabemasu ka? Mai asa nani o tabemasu ka? The question is nani o tabemasu ka? What do you eat? Mai asa, every morning. So, you will answer
Pan o tamago.
panto.
Panto tamago o tabemasu.
Panto tamago o tabemasu. I eat bread and eggs. So, she used the particle to because there are two nouns, pan and tamago. Panto tamago. Particle o tabemasu. Number 3, Kesa nani o tabimashita ka? Kesa nani o tabimashita ka? The time indicated in this sentence is kesa, which means this morning. So, it's in the past. So the verb should be in past form, tabemashita. Nani o tabemashita ka? What did you eat this morning?
Nani mo tabemasen deshita.
Okay, so nani mo tabemasen deshita. We attach the particle mo to nani, and the verb is in negative form. It means tabemasen deshita, I don't eat the nani mo anything. So nani mo tabemasen deshita. And deshita, to make it a past tense because of the time kesa, this morning. Number 4, Doyobi nani o shimashita ka? Doyobi nani o shimashita ka? So, shimashita, what did you do? Nani o shimashita ka? And doyobi means Saturday. So, we will understand that it's in the past, the last Saturday, because of the verb shimashita. What did you do? Then, Nihongo o benkyou shimashita.
Nihongo o benkyou shimashita. それから友達
それから
友達と映画見ました。
Okay. 日本語を勉強しました。I studied 日本語。And the word それから after that 友達と映画を見ました。友達と particle と because with my friend 映画を見ました。We watch a movie. Number 5. どこでそのカバンを買いましたか？どこでそのカバンを買いましたか？ The interrogative is どこで place で then verb. Okay? どこでそのカバンを買いましたか？ Where did you buy that bag?
メキシコで買いました。
Okay, so the interrogative is どこで so you will answer place で Mexico で and the verb 買いました I bought it in Mexico. Number 6. 明日テニスをしませんか？明日テニスをしませんか？ So the verb is in ませんか It means it is inviting someone to do something. He answered
いいですね。
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 いいですね。So, or はい。The same meaning with はい。Yes. いいですね。That's nice. That would be great. Number 7. 明日10時に駅で会いましょう。明日10時に駅で会いましょう。So the verb is in ましょう form. It means let's. So I must means to meet. Then I must you let's meet. So 駅で so the place is 駅 or station. Then time ni 10時に the particle ni it indicates time and the particle de it indicates place of action. So 10時に駅で会いましょう. Let's meet at the station tomorrow at 10 o'clock.
わかりました。
わかりました。Okay or understood. So for the next part is the conversation video. So let's go.
ジャックさん、
はい、何ですか？
明日友達とお花見をします。ジャックさんも一緒に行けませんか？
いいですね。どこへ行きますか？
大阪城です。
何時に行きますか
10時に大阪駅で会いましょ
う。わかりました。
う。じゃあ、また明日。
はい、よろしく。Okay, for exercise A, I will read the sentences and you will repeat after me. So number 1, Watashi wa pan o tabemasu. Watashi wa pan o tabemasu. I will eat bread. So the particle o is attached to the word pan with the verb tabemasu. So I will eat pan or I will eat bread. Next line, Watashi wa kudamono o tabemasu. Watashi wa kudamono o tabemasu. I will eat fruits. Kudamono in English is fruits. Next line, Watashi wa niko to yasai o tabemasu. Niko to yasai o tabemasu. So we use the particle to because we have two objects, niku and yasai. So niku to yasai. Right? And the particle o to make it our object of the verb tabemasu. The interrogative is anata wa nani o tabemasu ka? Anata wa nani o tabemasu ka? What are you going to eat? Number 2, let's start from the interrogative. Anata wa nani o shimasu ka? Anata wa nani o shimasu ka? What are you going to do? So the answers are Watashi wa sakka o shimasu. Watashi wa sakka o shimasu. I will play soccer. Next, Watashi wa video mimasu. Watashi wa video mimasu. I will watch a video. Next, Watashi wa Kobe e ikimasu. Watashi wa Kobe e ikimasu. I am going to Kobe. Number 3, watashi wa depato de kocha o kaimashita. Watashi wa depato de kocha o kaimashita. I bought green tea at the department store. Next line, watashi wa ano mise in that store. Ano mise de, particle de, kocha o kaimashita. So the place of action where the kocha is bought is ano mise, in that store. Next, watashi wa Tokyo de kocha o kaimashita. Watashi wa Tokyo de kocha o kaimashita. I bought kocha o kaimashita. And the place of action is Tokyo. So with the particle de. Tokyo de. The interrogative is anata wa doko de kocha o kaimashita ka? Where did you buy that green tea? Number 4, issho ni Kyoto e ikimasen ka? Issho ni Kyoto e ikimasen ka? Would you go to Kyoto with me? So, once again, the masen ka is inviting someone. Next, issho ni ohanami o shimasen ka? Issho ni ohanami o shimasen ka? So, hanami o shimasu is viewing the cherry blossom. So, inviting someone. Ohanami o shimasen ka? Next, issho ni ocha o nomimasen ka? Issho ni ocha o nomimasen ka? Would you have some tea with me? Okay, inviting someone to have or to drink ocha. Number 5, asoko de yasumimashou. Asoko de yasumimashou. Let's take a break over there. Next, shokodo e ikimashou. Shokodo e ikimashou. Let's go to the canteen. Next line, sanji ni aimashou. Sanji ni aimashou. So, sanji is 3 o'clock and the particle ni. So, time and the particle ni. Verb. The verb is aimasu, to meet. Aimashou is let's meet. Let's meet at 3 o'clock. So that's all for this lesson, guys. Make sure to watch our grammar videos on our YouTube channel. Dewa, minasan, gambatte ne.